Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Barb. So today we're going to start here in the kitchen and unload the dishwasher. We have a ton of cleaning motivation in this video. I hope you're ready for it. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to start here in the kitchen. We're going to get this all unloaded and then we're going to load it back up. We're going to wipe down the counters. We're going to do all the things in here and then we're going to head to the other rooms. I do like to rinse the dishes before I put them in sometimes, especially if they've been sitting for a while and the food is really stuck on there. The kids have been eating some ice cream, so I just wanted to rinse those really quick, and now I'm gonna load the dishwasher. Now I'm just going to start clearing off the counters real quick so I can wipe them down. I also like to light a candle just to set the mood and make the house smell good as I clean. Just using the Filled in Future by HEB all-purpose cleaner, the honeysuckle rose. It smells so good. I'm sure that y'all do not, well, if you're from Texas, you know all about HEB, but HEB is just our Texas grocery store. That's where most Texans buy all their groceries, is HEB, because they have really great deals, but they do have their own name brand, and it's usually really good, the food and the cleaning chemicals. So anyway, I've been using this one quite a bit lately. So now that we're all done with wiping the counters, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sink. I always clean my sink. I love a clean sink, and I have been using the Barkeeper's Friend every time I clean any of the sinks in the house, really. I also use it in the shower, the bathtub. I really, really like this cleaner. I can tell such a big difference when I use it.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful.
So now we're in the bathroom and we're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned and organized in here as well. It was pretty messy and definitely needed it.
Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
said before, I really like using the Barkeeper's Friend for a lot of cleaning around here. It does take away a lot of stains. If you have rust stains, just little stuff like that, I can tell such a huge difference when I use this stuff. I don't know what's in it or what it does, but it definitely cleans very, very well. I'm also going to use it on my shower. I'm going to show y'all that in just a bit as well.
I thought you loved me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. So why would you make me go to stupid parties with your homies? When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Ooh, I really need for you to save me. 'Cause right now everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody, I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know you wanted me to meet your friends, but I'm so tired of trying to play pretend. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I made myself clear, or at least I thought I made myself clear. When we met, that I got severe social anxiety, one of many fears that you don't get. And I know you don't.
So the shower was very neglected the past couple of months because of my accident. On this day, my knee was killing me after I got done scrubbing this shower and cleaning it all out, but it was worth it in the end. It feels so nice and clean now, but we do have hard water here on the ranch, so it does build up quickly. It does stain easily, and like I said, the Barkeeper's Friend is amazing. I did use Barkeeper's Friend and Dawn dish soap. I am not telling y'all to do this. You should never mix cleaning chemicals of any kind, but I did mix these and it worked really well for me. I could tell a huge difference, and I also used my electric scrub brush. I don't know if y'all have those. I've seen they've been circulating all over the internet, all over TikTok. Everybody's using these and they do really, really work. I do have to sometimes get in and scrub some of the parts that it can't really get to right, but overall it works really well and saves a lot of time and struggle. You can see how dirty all the caked up film is coming off of there, and it was just so satisfying to get done.
Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody, I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know you wanted me to meet your friends, but I'm so tired of trying to play pretend. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home.
So now I'm just using a sponge on the scrub side to get in all the little crevices and whatnot. I do have a smaller attachment for the spin brush. I just couldn't find it at the moment, but I did try the same concoction on the bathroom, on the shower door, and I can't say that I loved it as much. I have used vinegar and Dawn for this, and it works so much better. So I will probably clean this again in a couple of days using some vinegar and Dawn, because it did still have some soap scum left on it.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be.
So now I'm just going to tidy up the living room. I know I'm bouncing around a lot in this video, but this was just a really super chill day of cleaning, but still a lot of cleaning going on. So I wanted to bring y'all along with me. But like I said, usually I just focus on one room and get it all the way done. But on these days, I was kind of bouncing around. All I really did was make sure everything was clean and tidy, and then later at night I went in and vacuumed the floors. I do that a lot as well too, because just throughout the day stuff gets all over the floors anyway, and I like to wake up to them very clean in the morning. It's just super nice to wake up to a clean home.
I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me.
Earlier in the morning, I had thrown the bedding to wash. I usually do that, and then I forgot about it throughout the day, so I had to wait for it to dry. So I'll put that on in just a bit. I did just get a new camera, so I am working with the lighting and all that stuff, trying to get everything just right. It's just a lot to learn. Y'all know how I am with technology and whatnot. It's just not my cup. But I'm trying so hard to make these videos better for y'all in the future. Y'all can see on the back wall, we are in the process of hanging a ghost shelf. My husband's actually in the process of making that, so hopefully that'll be done soon as well. I cannot wait to decorate it. That space just needed something, and of course my Christmas tree will go in the corner next to it, but I can't wait for all that to be done as well. Go ahead and put the sheets on the bed, get it all made and ready, and then I'm going to vacuum the floors. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it got you motivated. If you like videos like these, then please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and let us know down in the comments that you're here. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. I will see y'all in the next one. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.